Whoa!
Man.
What is it?
It's big.
It's big. What is it?
Butterfly.
Yeah.
It's big.
Do you like it? You get it out? You say open, please.
Open please.
Do you know who this is from? Who?
Ooh.
It's from Santa.
Sister.
Yeah. Were you a good boy? Yeah.
Big boy.
Wow.
You got scissors in here?
No, there's some on the kitchen counter in the pen holder.
Open.
Uncle Jimmy's getting scissors to open it.
He'll
He'll come
come
get it.
back.
He'll come back.
He'll bring the scissors here, honey.
So try